So how do you choose magnesium salts? If you are developing functional foods or dietary supplements, and you are looking at all those different magnesium salts, does it ever feel like you just don't know what to pick? This is Quasi-Nano 2.0 technology, taking micronized calcium magnesium citrate as an example. It solves the problems of easy precipitation and slow absorption of traditional magnesium salts. All right, let's do a quick demo. On the left is a traditional magnesium salt. On the right, it is a micronized magnesium salt. We will put them both into a graduated cylinder and simply let them stand to compare. Here is what you can clearly see. The conventional ingredient rapidly sinks, separates into layers, and loses uniformity. The micronized product settles much more slowly and stays uniform over time, highlighting finer partial size, stronger dispersion, and excellent suspension stability. So here's the takeaway. Different magnesium salt ingredients require different processing methods. And the right process is how you solve real production bottlenecks. What magnesium salt are you working with, and what process are you struggling with? Drop it in the comments. I will help you match the most optimized solutions for your formulation and manufacturing needs.